Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change your monitor's refresh rate, which is very handy, especially if you use your computer for gaming. A lot run 60 Hz, but if you have got a faster monitor, obviously it makes gameplay smoother. So if you find this helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So what we're going to do is when you're on the actual desktop, you just need to right click, and then what you want to do is come down and click onto display settings down here at the bottom. Okay, so once it says loaded through, what you want to do is just go to the menu on the left hand side and click display just to make sure you're on the right place. And then you just want to scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page until you get to this advanced display settings down here. And then if you give that a click, you'll be able to choose which display to use. So for example, I'm just on the laptop at the moment, so it's only showing one display, but if you have, like, for example, two monitors linked up, you'll be able to click this drop down box and choose the monitor you want to change. And you can see that currently the refresh rate is 59 Hz, about 60 Hz. And what we're going to do down here is just click onto this link here. Then we're going to go to monitor. And you'll see there's actually a drop down box which says screen refresh rate. At the moment, again, I've only got 60 Hz because I'm only on a laptop. But if you've got like a monitor that can run, for example, something like 128 or 144 Hz, you'll see when you click down, you'll have the option to change it. And obviously once you've changed that, you just need to click apply down here and then click OK, and that's going to update you and make you have a smoother gameplay. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. And if you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.